If you're familiar with e-signatures, you've probably heard of DocuSign. They've been well known in the e-signature industry for decades, and their products are considered top shelf, especially among enterprise customers. SignNow, on the other hand, is mostly favored by small and medium businesses while growing more popular in the enterprise sector. Therefore, if you're looking for a reasonably priced e-signature application for your daily business needs, SignNow is clearly the #1 choice among DocuSign alternatives. DocuSign has been a household name in the e-signature market since 2003. Over all these years, DocuSign's user base has been steadily increasing until it eventually became the largest vendor of e-signature software out there, with over 1 billion users worldwide. It would be fair to say that DocuSign kind of uses its expertise and reputation to set higher overall subscription prices than the competition, which we find absolutely reasonable, by the way, while also charging extra for some of its premium features. SignNow, on the contrary, is a young and charismatic company, and the reason why it's among the most popular DocuSign alternatives is because of its attractive pricing, ease of use and deployment, and rich feature set that we're proud of. With over 28 million users globally, SignNow may not be as widely known as DocuSign yet, but the current user rating of 4.6 out of 5 against DocuSign's 4.5 on G2 tells us we're moving in the right direction. SignNow is also part of the AirSlate Business Cloud, a software suite for paperless document management and no-code business automation. So, if you're looking to fully digitize your document workflows and streamline business processes, choosing SignNow can be seen as your first step towards that goal. Both SignNow and DocuSign are great tools that simplify your daily operations and make paperwork less time-consuming. Our head-to-head comparison shows that SignNow's powerful e-signature functionality, high security and compliance standards, and honest pricing bring tons of value at a considerably lower price than DocuSign. Are you ready to switch from DocuSign to SignNow? Learn more by clicking the link on the screen now.